Okay, we're working on this unit right here for somebody, and if you have a unit that won't start and there's no juice to the starter, most likely you take this cover off. There's a screw right here on the back. You take that screw off, and this cover right here actually comes off a little bit, and there's a fuse on a white wire. I believe it's like 30 amp or whatever. You replace that, and that will solve your problem. The most likely cause is you got a battery issue, or you replaced a battery and it's the wrong type of battery. So if you got a bigger battery in there, then that's probably what's supposed to be in there. That will probably be the culprit. All right, so it's kind of hard to get the screw. You got to get a shorty and get the screw. It's right here where my finger is, right on top, and there's one of them, I believe. Some of them have two, some have one. Unscrew it and just pull this back a little bit, and you can pull out the white wire. It's right here on top, and it's a little shorty. Okay, so don't pull it really hard, and there's a fuse on it. I think it's at 30 or 35. Just replace it with that.